Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to delete a chat from your shortcuts on WhatsApp web using your PC. This process is simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your preferred browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not, scan the QR code displayed on the screen using the WhatsApp app on your phone to sync your account. Next, navigate to the chat you wish to remove from your shortcuts. You can find it in the list of conversations on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the chat to open it. Now, here's where it gets even easier. On your keyboard, press Ctrl + Alt + Backspace simultaneously. This shortcut is designed specifically for removing chats quickly without needing to navigate through multiple menus. Once you press this combination, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This step ensures that you don't accidentally delete a chat. Carefully review the confirmation message and, if you're sure about your decision, click Confirm. And that's it. The selected chat will be removed from your shortcuts on WhatsApp web. This method is a great way to declutter your chat list and keep only the most relevant conversations easily accessible. Remember, this action does not delete the chat permanently. It simply removes it from your shortcuts. You can still access the conversation later if needed by searching for it in the main chat list. We hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your WhatsApp web experience. Keep exploring these handy shortcuts to make your messaging more efficient and organized.